if you want to add new drawings, so there are different methods. Either you can move your drawings, you can drag drawings and move your drawing to that location or copy to that folder, or you can even add new drawings. If you want to add new drawings, then give it a name, select a template, give the description. So first of all, let's suppose I want to give a drawing file name Greenwood. Go to template browse button. There are multiple templates in our drawing. We will discuss about these in the coming session. So for now, let's suppose I want to add this template, AutoCAD Electrical. Open this template. You can see that these template formats are in DWT formats. Write the description: defibrillator, main motor, power circuit, project code, installation code, location code. So what are these? This is actually the project code, installation code and location code. These are actually important in drawings. If you make multiple page drawings for a power plant or for any production plant, then these are the important terms for reference numbers. Actually, if let's suppose there is a production plant and it has many sections, then the whole plant can be called a project. So there will be a code for that project or for that plant, and there are different sections. The sections are called installation code or installation sections, and for every section there are subsections or location of different motors or different panels. Then the location, there will be a different location of that particular components. We give random codes to this drawing like GW101, ML75, and location code 21 AKC. Sheet values are like let's suppose I want to add multiple drawings in this folder, associated industries. Then I will give different sheet numbers and drawing numbers to these drawings. So let's suppose I want to give it the first number as it is my first drawing, and drawing number 001, section, subsection, before. These are not as important, but you can also give it a name. Do you want to apply the project default values to the drawing settings? As your project default settings are, your drawing settings will be automatically applied to your drawing. So if you select yes, then your drawing properties will be that as selected in your project properties. If you select no, then you can reselect, you can make changes to your drawing or their settings. So let's suppose I want to click OK. Yes, it's updating, and now you can see that these settings which I was telling about, these are the drawing properties, but that was before that when we were opening a project. These were the same tabs: component, wire numbers, cross referencing. So these are the default project settings. You can see these are the default project settings. From here, let's suppose you want to pick this one. You can give it a name like, yeah, it's not working, but sometime it is not working. You can also add description from your drawing. If there are some description in your drawing, you can pick that description from your drawing also. Click on OK. Now your first drawing is here. You can see that there is a plus sign before this project folder. Click on this, your drawing will appear in your project folder. This is my first drawing in my project folder, associated industries, with name Greenwood. You can see that there are this is the model space and these are the paper spaces. If you select this one, your viewport layout, model layout will open paper space. It is called paper space. So these are the two layouts. This is the project model space, yeah, drawing model space. So if you can expand or contract this, your drawing will appear in this list. This is the template format and AutoCAD Electrical IC template format. You can see that there are at the borders of the title block there are numbers 0 1 2 3 A B C D, and here you can see that there are different descriptions: greenwood plant, mandelion plant, different backers. Below that description is the drawing number, sheet number 1 of 1. This is the drawing location with the drawing name, drawing DWG. So these descriptions are the project description as we have entered in our project. So this is the project title block, this is the drawing title block, and now add some more drawings to this project. Open a new project, give a name and a line, add some descriptions, and before that make another template on C. Let's suppose add this one on C. Add some descriptions. Hot press, operating panel power, project code GW102, ML76, location code is 22 AKC, sheet number is 2 and drawing number is 2, which is second drawing, so we give it a name sheet number 2 and drawing number 002. We can even give 3 direction descriptions. So do you want to apply the project? Yes. Here comes the second drawing in our list. These properties are the default project properties, so leave that and click OK. Now add some more drawings, and we will then compare the differences between these templates. As we are opening the different templates, we will see that how these differences can be compared with one another. Let's suppose I want to add this one, ACEI3 and A4 color. These are the color formats. Drawing file name, defibrator, description, defi main motor, power circuit, and give a project name GW103, installation code ML77, location code 23 AKC, sheet number 3 and drawing number 003. Okay, properties. Okay, do you want to apply the project property values? Yes. So this is the third template format. This is the title block. In this you can see that this is the drawing number and these are the sheet number. You can also add the dates, and we will discuss about these in the next sessions. How can we add these descriptions and title blocks and dates? How can we input these names also? So we can also copy drawings to this folder. If you select this, select the drawing, copy to, I want to copy to this folder, demo. We can even rename it Let's suppose give it a name Daffy. Do you want to apply project default properties? Yes. So this is the fourth drawing that's already available. That is the demo project, and I save it in this project folder.